Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, and now we're here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.85. Let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.72%. This equates to an average return of 1.36% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 8.3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.81% to 10.51%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 24.38% over the next year, with a potential return between 13.58% and 32.42%. This implies a price range between $574.21 to $669.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The QQQ ETF price increased by 2.72% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, rising from $492.21 to $505.58. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.36%, with a daily low of $499.60 and a daily high of $506.41. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.53% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 19 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 40 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $20 billion and $28 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $506.41, and the lowest price was $369.57. Currently, the price is 0.16% or 83 cents below the 52-week high of $506.41, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust Exchange-Traded Fund highlight potential volatility and competitive challenges for this technology-focused investment vehicle. The emergence of alternative exchange-traded funds, such as the QDTE ETF, which utilizes synthetic covered strategies and offers a yield exceeding 20%, suggests that some investors may shift towards these options for enhanced returns. This shift could impact the attractiveness of QQQ in the short term. This sentiment is further supported by discussions about the anticipated outperformance of the SPY ETF compared to QQQ over the next decade, indicating a growing skepticism regarding QQQ's long-term growth. Additionally, the reshoring trend, bolstered by the upcoming election year, could favor U.S.-based technology companies as there is a renewed focus on domestic manufacturing. In the long run, this trend could improve the operational landscape for firms within the QQQ, thereby boosting investor confidence. However, the current market remains sensitive to political volatility and uncertainties surrounding the elections. The recent earnings season for major technology companies may also provide crucial insights into QQQ's immediate trajectory. Yet, uncertainty arising from the ongoing election could heighten fluctuations, creating a challenging environment for potential investors. As these variables interact, QQQ's price may experience both short-term corrections and long-term adjustments influenced by these evolving narratives. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which provides a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $493.09 and $489.90. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and so far, it has increased by 12.68%. Further gains are expected until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may affect short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 44 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal 39 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average reflected a buy signal from 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy from 242 days ago. To explore more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $481.27, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.81 between its high and low points, which represents a movement of 1.36%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.29%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, it is important to review some key fundamental data. First, let us discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a subdued outlook for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $481.27. If this support level holds firm, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $486.47, reflecting a decline of 3.78%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a low-risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 43 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ exhibits several positive signals and is currently experiencing a slight upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it is a sound investment choice at present levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a buy to a strong buy recommendation for this ETF. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of November, we anticipate QQQ to open lower by $1.72, starting at $503.86. It is important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.